Karcher K5 Premium Full Control Plus. Cleaning doesn't have to be an exhausting, time-consuming, stressful job. The device you see on the screen is proof of that. It's a high-pressure washer developed by the German brand Karcher. The tool sprays a water jet powerful enough to remove even persistent and ingrained dirt. However, the cleaning process is delicate, so you don't have to worry about the surface's integrity. The manufacturer recommends using this equipment for the regular cleaning of facades, cars, and bicycles. The buttons on the spray gun that adjust the water pressure provide maximum ease of use. The special 3-in-1 jet tube allows you to quickly and easily switch between different types of jets. The maximum capacity of the device is 500 liters per hour. This means that you can clean 40 square meters of surface per hour. The water pressure is about 160 bar, and the machine costs $460. Sunjoe SPX 3500. Although it works in the same way as the Karcher washers, the SPX 3500 has a high power rating, so we have to tell you all about it. This is a high-pressure washer created by Sunjoe. The Invention is designed primarily for home use and will help you to keep your yard clean. The video shows just how easy and quick it is to clean fences, gates, walls, and asphalt. You can even clean a car or a grill without worrying about scratches. 5 spray nozzles at an angle of 0 to 40 degrees make the tool more versatile. The washer uses up to 3.7 liters of water per minute. The maximum water pressure is also about 160 bar, and the price of the device is $250. US fire pump machines. Fires are divided in many categories. For example, there are different types of fires: natural, domestic, and industrial. Now we're going to talk about industrial fires, which are considered hard to deal with and dangerous. Plants, factories, storage facilities, all of them often cover an extremely large area. In addition, the premises are often full of flammable and explosive materials. All this leads to help the fire spread quickly, unpredictably, and it's impossible to extinguish it without special equipment. US Fire Pump is a company that develops and sells firefighting systems. At the end of 2017, the brand decided to demonstrate the capacity of its own equipment. Combining several units at once, the company created water flows that reached 113,000 liters per minute. Even the largest industrial fire wouldn't be able to resist this kind of power. These systems were used during the demonstration. They stand out for their mobility and fast installation. Each of them spray from 2,000 to 34,000 liters of water per minute. While this self-propelled unit with remote control sprays from 9,000 to 19,000 liters of water. Komatsu Joy 12CM12. Continuous surface miners are powerful, cumbersome, special-purpose machines. They're specifically designed for extremely high operating loads. Continuous surface miners are designed, as the name states, for the continuous mining of coal and soft materials. The video shows a miner developed by the company Komatsu. The model was named the Joy 12CM12. It's perfect for mining medium to thick layers. The working width is 965 mm. The machine has a capacity of 818 horsepower, and a single drilling part can produce 235 horsepower. the APV 1.25 meter expanded metal machine. If you've ever wondered how different metal parts used in construction are made, we will now partially answer that question. Because you are looking at the APV 125 expanded metal mesh machine. This equipment is used to manufacture metal mesh, which later can be used for a wide variety of purposes. The size of the cells of the grid is adjustable from 10 to 60 millimeters. The working tool is a knife beam. Thanks to the powerful engine, it's lowered on the metal sheet up to 220 times per minute. If the metal is thinner, this number can go up to 300 strokes per minute. When the work is done, the mesh is ready for transport. The machine turns it into a dense roll on its own. The manufacturer highlights the durability of the machine as well. Advanced mechanisms support the knife beam to eliminate friction between the parts. This in turn leads to slower wearing. The knives are designed to maximize the operating time between sharpening. Somero SkyScreed 25. When the American company Somero launched its new machine, the SkyScreed 25, in December 2018, it introduced a new product line. This launch didn't go unnoticed in certain circles for several reasons. The SkyScreed 25 is a stationary screed machine with a knuckle boom. It allows screeding on structural high-rise and slab-on grade applications. According to the company, this is the first machine of this type in the world. We could talk for hours about the advantages of the Somero SkyScreed 25. First of all, the equipment reduces labor costs, increasing productivity on the construction site. No less importantly, it makes the paved concrete more even. Moreover, the equipment remains stable on any surface. That's because the developers supplied it with 3 stabilizers. The work around columns, walls, and other similar protrusions is simplified, as the working unit rotates 360 degrees around its axis. There's also a powerful electrical component that compacts the concrete to the entire depth of the slab. The laser leveling control system greatly enhances the automatic paving of concrete. The power of the gasoline engine is relatively low as well, 32.5 horsepower. But the SkyScreed 25 doesn't need more to perfectly cope with all the tasks. The Famor FR250. The last machine that we want to show you today is another special equipment unit. This time, however, you are looking at the Famor FR250. This is a sophisticated machine used in mining operations. The main feature is that it can handle a range of tasks, both main and auxiliary. For example, the road header can destroy rock and load it. The Famor FR250 can perform transportation, dust suppression, and dust exhaustion. The Famor FR250 can be of use in situations where the working tunnel height doesn't exceed 5 meters. This is because the model has a low body weight. It also stands out for its low ground pressure. It can be equipped with a drilling rig and a remote control system. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.